Hi guys, welcome back. This is Mary with Israel. This is a walkthrough of the digital planner we just launched called the Epoch Planner. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to my channel for digital planning tutorials, tips, and tricks. So let's get started. First, I'll let you know what I'm using. I'm using my iPad, my Apple Pencil Generation 1, and the GoodNotes app for digital planning. The planner I'm using is the Epoch Planner. There are a few different versions of this Epoch Planner in our shop. This is the undated version with color. There will also be dated versions in black and white too, which I'll launch later this month. Everything I use will be linked below, and I will also include a link to the Isaru freebie vault, which gives you access to a whole library of digital planning freebies like planners, notebooks, stickers, and covers. If you are new to digital planning and you want to try it out first, I give away a sample of this planner inside the freebie vault. It's a great way for you to test it out on your device to see if digital planning is something that you like. So be sure to sign up for that below. This journal has monthly planning pages along the side, as well as access to these pages on the index page. This is an example of a monthly page. That's the cover. This is the planning page. And there are the calendar pages, which you can enter in your own dates there. And then these are the weekly pages. And then we have daily pages coming up that look like this. For each day, you can time block and set your priorities for the day. On each of the calendar pages, you'll see these links on the left side to the weekly page. So that will give you easy access to each weekly page for you as you're planning your month. To really support you on your journey, I created monthly planning pages as well as monthly reflection pages. This is an example here. There are a couple pages that you can access these planning and reflection pages. On each month, you'll see them at the top of the calendar page as well as on the index page that we're on. This journal comes with 10 different custom sections for you to customize for all the different areas of your life. You can label them here, and at the top you can get access to them as well. You can use it for your home, your business, homeschool, whatever it might be. It's really flexible for all the different areas of your life to organize them all in one place. This section here offers additional calendar templates for annual view, as well as different monthly templates and weekly templates and daily templates for you if you want to change the way it looks from year to year. Remember, these are undated so that you can use them, reuse them throughout different years without having to pay for another planner, which is awesome. If you are trying to be more conscious with your impact on the environment, digital planning is a great way to save a lot of paper and binder material. In the past, I used a separate paper calendar, a journal, a homeschool, and a separate work planner, and it's been so nice to consolidate everything into one file that I can easily carry around on my iPad. These are different paper templates that you can use, and there's anything from blank paper if you just want to sketch, to lined paper if you want to journal. There's graph paper and bulleted dotted paper and listed paper pages if you want to create lists for yourself. These are great to insert into your custom journals. If you like to do morning pages, these lined pages are great for that. If you want to create a section for your list, I know I'm a big list person, so I just have pages of lists and to-dos, and that's great for that. I also included a lot of well-being templates for you guys. This is the gratitude page. I love having this practice in the morning and in the evening just to be in gratitude and reflect on all the things that I'm grateful for at the start of my day and at the end. This is a routines page to track your routines for the morning, evening, and afternoon also, and you can track it all week long. This is the fitness and health page. You can track your workouts, your activity, the amount of water you're having, the sleep that you're getting, and the goals that you have for that. This is the meal planning page for you to plan your meals for the day, and also grocery list. This is a habit tracker for you to track the new habits that you want to create. This is the finance page for you to set your goals on finances, track your income, expenses, your bills. And this is the goal page for you to track your goals that you've created and the tasks that are involved, the deadline, and the reward. This is an example of the monthly planning page that I just filled out for my monthly planning for November. I'll link that video also for you guys to see my plan with me videos. It's a really good opportunity to follow along and see how I plan and how I use the different tools within GoodNotes. And I'll show you quickly here how to write in GoodNotes. You can use the pen tool to write if you want to use your own handwriting. You can also use the type tool to type in your text using the keyboard, or what I like to do is use the scribble feature. So I just write in the text that I want and it translates it into typed text. My handwriting isn't always the best, but I am always so impressed by how accurate scribble is. Here I wanted to show you how easy it is to insert your own images. You can insert photos or graphics, and it's super easy to resize them and place them anywhere you like on your planner. To decorate it, I like to add personal touches by adding pictures onto my calendars and other planning pages. Now I'm going to open up my sticker book alongside my planner, which is usually how I plan because I love using stickers to decorate and really personalize my planner. I created this mini sticker book that you'll see on the left side, and it fits perfectly in the split screen view. So you can have your planner on one side and your stickers all on the other side, and you can easily copy and paste them into your planner. And this is me flipping through the sticker book. It's got different tabs to organize all the stickers inside. I'm just going to use the lasso tool to select and copy the image that I want and then paste it over into my planner. I'm going to kind of resize it here. I really hope you enjoyed this walkthrough video of the Epoch Planner. If you want to learn how to add or duplicate or move pages around, how to change your planner cover, and other digital planning tips, be sure to check out the description below for links to those videos, as well as a sign-up link to get access to the freebie vault. That is where there is a sample of this planner, as well as other digital planning goodies like notebooks and stickers and covers for you to play around with to see if digital planning is right for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.